Am I constantly bringing you the new easy ways to make money from home? Or am I constantly bringing you the newest easy ways to make money from home? All right, today's video is about how you can start making money from home with no skills by helping people to get their prescription medicine at one flat fee. Okay, so we all know that healthcare is a big problem, still a big problem in America, despite all the help that we got with Obamacare. Okay, but let's just get right to the point how you can make money and how the program works. All right, so we have partnered up now under the business loan program that I'm at. You can sign up and join my team and start helping people to make money, or you can start making money right away by helping people to get their prescriptions at a flat fee. Now, this is the absolute first in America. Basically, it's a free pharmacy. Okay, so basically, we have partnered up with a pharmacy to help people, experiencing, heart disease, high cholesterol, depression, diabetes, all of these, ailments or all of these issues. The prescriptions are delivered to you in 1 to 3 days, right to your door. But say for example, if you have a cold or the flu and you need your medicine right away, you will have a card where you can walk into your local pharmacy and get your prescription with the card. Okay, so let's just I'm going to get to the money part in just a moment. I'm going to get to the compensation part in just a moment. So bear with me. And like I said, stick around until the end because I have an amazing offer that you don't want to miss. And I'm going to make this video short and sweet. But right here is a list, right? Just a few of the most common prescriptions that people have to get. So, sometimes people have co-pays of $10, $15, $20, $30, right? But with the flat fee pharmacy, members can get a 90-day prescription for literally $0 shipped to their home for free. Okay, so listen, these right here are some of the places where, like I said, if you have a cold or the flu or COVID and you need something right away, you can walk into CVS, Walmart, Rite Aid, Walgreens. These are places you can go right to. All right, so let's just get into a little bit more about how it works. Basically, what you have to do though is click on my link below. All right, what you want to do is become an agent under me with DAC. Okay, so when you go to my page, which is going to be right here below, you're going to click where it says become an agent right here. Okay, you want to go right there and you want to become an agent. Now let's just talk about the compensation. I don't think the compensation is right here, so give me a moment. I'm gonna have to give me one moment. So let me find out about the compensation. But basically, let me just tell you, the way it works is it's residual income. So agents will receive residual income for anyone who signs up and get their prescriptions on a monthly basis, right? So you're going to receive a certain percentage. This is a brand new product. I don't have all the details yet, but of course, I'm going to continue bringing as much information as possible every single week. All right, but residual income means that once a person signs up, you are receiving a percentage every single month, right? So, you won't feel like you are in the rat race as much, right? You are going to, hold on one second. I've got to log in to look at the compensation, but you are going to start to feel you are going to sorry about that. You are going to just start to feel like you're building something, that you're actually building something that is going to take you, far, something that you can grow with. not something that's just a one-hit wonder. Okay, I sold this offer one time, okay, I made my little commission and that's it, right? That's kind of what happens when you are a real estate agent or you are a wholesaler. You make that sale one more time and then you're unemployed and you got to get out there and get another job. So that is not what this is. Residual income means you do it one time, just once, and then you receive income each and every month. So if you like so far what you have heard, click on that like button. Click on that like button. I'm Katina the Broker, and be sure to subscribe to the channel. Subscribe, y'all, subscribe, and click like because it really helps me out, and it tells YouTube to show my videos to more people who need helpful information about making money from home. All right, so here is my special offer. All right, so let me just say this. So a lot of people ask me, how do I have my hands involved in so many different things, like from being a business loan broker to helping entrepreneurs get their website landing pages, to, live good and helping people get club memberships, right? How do I have my hands in so many different things? And now the pharmacy business, right? It's called affiliate marketing. It's called making money from home. It's called making money online. Okay. And so I have been in sales for pretty much full time. I want to say since 2012, like with no job. So that's over a decade. So I know a little something about, growing a business, making money from home, making money online, making money on my own. So, this is why as soon as I learn about a product that's good, I share it immediately. So with that being said, let me introduce you to this special offer I have. Now, at the time of this recording, it is the week of Black Friday, baby, Black Friday. So because it's the week of Black Friday, I am going to offer my new book, 5 Steps to $5,000 a month from home. I'm offering it, baby, for $7. $7 freaking dollars. Now, let me tell you, if y'all don't got $7 to start making $5K a month from home and from online, I don't know what to tell you because you're clearly doing something wrong. Okay? But I'm going to tell you now, what is in this book, y'all? What is in this book? It's going to tell you how to get brand deals with corporations. I'm talking about corporations like Fenty Beauty and, Lancome, or, sneaker places or skateboard companies, It's going to tell you in detail about affiliate marketing, what it is, how to get these partnerships, how to get the brand deals within 30 days, how to start making passive income through your team online, how to build a team online. Hey, $7, y'all. And let me tell you, we so sweet with it now, y'all. We are accepting Visa, MasterCard. We are accepting Google Pay, Afterpay, PayPal, Apple Pay. So let me tell you, if you are in bed while you're watching this video, click that one button and get started so you can start reading this book. And, right now, at the time this recording will be released, this should be finished, but I am in the process. I'm still doing a few edits, y'all, but I'm telling you, let's get to it. Let's make 2024 the best year possible. It's time to get out the rat race and get off the rat wheel. Just feel like you're constantly running and running. It's a new day. It's a new way to make money. And that's why I like to share the information. So again, click that like button. If you know someone who's already like in the farm, y'all. So quick interruption. All right, I got a leave option in on this company. I told y'all about this company before, Palantir. So it's been going up the last 2 days. And so I am just waiting so I can get out and take my money. But anyway, back to the make money from home. I make money from home even with stocks, y'all. But back to the make money from home and back to the pharmacy. When you go to my website on the pharmacy, you can actually search and see if your prescription is here. is listed. Where is everything? That's it though, y'all. That's it. Go ahead and get started. If you want to sign up and start getting free prescriptions, click the link below and just click I want free prescriptions. Click the link below and click I want free prescriptions, and then just scroll down. You can start again, you can view the full drug list, right? And again, if you know people who would be amazing at this, be sure that you sign up first so they can sign up under you. So, all right, y'all, I'm starting to ramble, but that's it for today. I'm Katina Willis. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I look forward to seeing you on the other side. I look forward to seeing you start to make that residual income from home and from your phone, baby. All right, talk to you later. Take care.